Hi, my name is Marvin F. Feliciano, Human Anatomy and Physiology teacher. Today we're going to discuss about the cardiovascular system, but the main focus of our discussion is all about the heart septum. So we are already in the part 3. On the part 1, we discussed the heart coverings. Part 2, we discussed the heart layers. But right now, we will discuss the heart septum. What is heart septum? Heart septum or septa in plural. These septa are very important in separating the heart chambers. So mahalaga na ma-separate ang heart chambers para walang mixing of blood na magkaroon inside the heart. So at the same time, it ensures the proper delivery of both oxygenated and deoxygenated blood. So let's try to find out what are these septa. So first is heart septum. It is divided into two. We call it as the interatrial septum. The interatrial septum, from the word itself, atrial, so meaning to say it separates the atrium. So ito siya. So the importance of interatrial septum, it separates the left and right atrium. In this structure, it is thin compared to the interventricular septum. Nagkakaroon lang dito ng mahinang contraction or mahinang atrial contraction as this contraction pushes the blood from the right atrium papunta sa right ventricle, from the left atrium papunta sa left ventricle. So mahina lang yung kanyang muscular contraction. The second is interventricular septum. Obviously, the interventricular septum separates the right and left ventricle. And obviously, it is thicker compared to the interatrial septum. Now, there is a significance kung bakit mas makapal ang interventricular septum. Makapal yan dahil mas malakas ang contraction na binibigay ng ventricle compared doon kay interatrial septum na may myocardium. Kasi when the right ventricle, for instance, contracts or pumps the blood, it pushes the blood papunta sa lungs. And when the left ventricle contracts, it pushes the blood papunta sa aorta. So mas makapal ang interventricular septum dahil mas malakas ang ventricular contraction. Alright, so that's all. I hope that you learned something today. Thank you and God bless.